You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of a medication, and we're gonna get to the brand names too. So the name of the molecule itself is insulin, with a stress on the first syllable, insulin glargine. So British English, glargine, not glargine, glargine, or in American English, glargine. The brand names are Lantus, Toujeo, or Semgee. Insulin glargine. Oh no, not glargine, glargine. Yes, that's the trick. Insulin glargine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.